How to use Hobby Lobby weekly ad and coupons. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in order to use the Hobby Lobby's weekly ad and coupon effectively, you must focus on their rotating department wide sales as a company discounts its famous 40% off on a regular price item as well. So basically new ads typically launch on Sundays and run through Saturdays. And you can also view the current ad on our official website through the Hobby Lobby mobile app or by signing up from your email as well. So basically, you could go ahead and launch open the app. You have this weekly ad at the very home page. Simply tap open that up. Here it is. You will be able to find all the information available. And this is how you're supposed to use Hobby Lobby weekly ads and coupon. And you could also find it or seasonal items as well. So categories like spring shops or holiday decor often starts at 40% off and move to a deeper clearance as well. So this is how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.